In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly and easily transform your pictures into anime art in Canva. So, first thing we're going to do is in the apps, you can search for anime. And then the first thing you get to see is Animify. And Animify is the app we're going to use. So then you click this, and it might ask if you give consent or something like that. But it is free to use, but as you can see here, you have 1 credit per day. So I'm first going to choose a file. I want to use this cat. And now it's animifying my image. And as you can see here, our cute cat has become even cuter in an anime-like genre. So Animify, let me see if I can, the details here. Animify transforms your photos into stunning anime art, and I have to admit, it is quite nice. So the only, well, it's not really a downside. It is free to use. You can use it with your free Canva account, but as you can see here before, as you can see here, you have 1 credit per day. You can also purchase more credits, of course, but it is kind of free to use. Just 1 image a day, you don't have to have extra credits or a Canva Pro account. And as you can see, it is quite good. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.